Imagine this. You spend days working on a video. From planning and recording to editing and publishing, you've put your heart into every step. At first, everything looks normal. Views are growing and people from different countries are clicking on your video. But when you dive into the analytics, you notice something strange. Many viewers are leaving within the first few seconds. It's not because the video quality is poor. It's not because the topic isn't interesting. It's because the language barrier creates a sense of distance. When the voice sounds unfamiliar or robotic, viewers find it hard to feel the creator's true personality or that sense of a direct conversation. This is a stage many content creators eventually reach. The problem is no longer about how good the content is. It's about whether you can still build a personal, emotional connection with a global audience. Sometimes the real issue isn't content quality, it's emotional distance. You know this video could reach a much larger audience, but many viewers still leave simply because they can't hear the content in their own language, spoken in your voice. It's not a lack of interest, it's that a generic, emotionless voice breaks that feeling of, you are talking directly to me. This is exactly why Veeder AI exists. It doesn't replace you or claim to solve everything. Instead, it helps you share your existing content in multiple languages while keeping your own voice and personality. One voice, multiple languages, and the same personal connection for audiences around the world. This is the step that turns content from just being watched to being truly understood and felt like a real conversation. Now, let's see how it works. Quick heads up before we start. In every video here on AI Border, 2 random viewers who leave a comment below will win a pro account of this very tool. So make sure to drop a comment, share your thoughts, or even just an emoji, because the next winner might be you. Let's jump into the video. After logging in via Google or email, which is very fast, we go straight to the voice cloning page. All you need to provide is a short sample of your voice and the system begins its analysis. The result is a highly accurate digital voice model that can read any new text sounding exactly like you. We have to talk about the differences here. Tools like 11 Labs are incredibly strong in terms of realism, but they often require long, high-quality audio samples to truly capture your unique tone, which is a significant time investment for many creators. HeyGen, on the other hand, integrates voice cloning into a broader video production workflow. It's powerful, but the process can be slow and consumes a lot of credits. The advantage of Veeder AI lies in its instant cloning technology. With just a 3-second audio sample, it can generate an AI voice with over 95% similarity. This is practically revolutionary in terms of efficiency and usability. Your audience hears your voice immediately, rather than a generic AI narration. From that moment on, you are in full control. You can enter any text and Vitor will read it in your voice. And you can even choose different tones and styles, whether it's formal, friendly, news style, or even a more excited and emotional delivery. This means if the video is long or if the script needs repeated revisions, you don't need to re-record anything. The same voice model can generate new narrations for you over and over again. But Vitor AI isn't just about voice generation. When your video is finished and you want to reach a larger audience, that's where the video translator comes in. This feature makes dubbing incredibly simple. You just upload your video, select the target language, and let the system handle the rest. The audio in the video is automatically extracted, translated, and redubbed into the scene using your cloned voice.
Bonjour à tous et bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Me voici en train de parler français.
Even the lip syncing is remarkably natural, significantly reducing that AI feel. The entire process, no recording studio needed, no reshooting, and no complex post-production workflows. Ultimately, that's the point. Tools like Veeder AI are not here to replace our creativity. They are here to ensure the content we've poured our hearts into can be seen, understood, and felt by more people. If you've already tried this tool, I'd love to hear about your experience. Which do you prefer, the voice cloning or the video translation feature? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Often it's your feedback that decides which direction this channel explores next. If you found this video helpful, a simple like helps it reach more people who might need it. And if this is your first time here, feel free to subscribe. We'll continue to share AI tools, content creation tips, and new possibilities.